Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. TS Inter Supplementary Results official press note has been released today. It is informed that the results of first and second year intermediate students under both general and vocational streams appeared for intermediate public advanced supplementary examinations May to June 2026 will be published through online on 11th June at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. On these websites, you can check the results, students. The link you can find in the comment section, students. This is an official press release signed by the secretary. So it is confirmed, students, your result is tomorrow. All the best. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.